Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand what are audit logs and where can we manage them. So basically, whenever you are working on the system, let's say you've got multiple team members, and whenever you are working on the system, every activity that you do on the system is monitored and is kept so that as an administrator you can further go back and understand who's done what. So all these activities can be accessed from here as well. So you can see that these things have happened. You can click here to go to audit logs, as well as what you can do is you can go down in the menu. And click on audit logs. When I click on audit logs, detailed audit logs come up where I can see exactly who's done what. So obviously right now I've been doing all the changes, so all these things would come up. And even the login and logout details are here. I can further filter on these. So let's say if I've got multiple team members, I can filter by that team member of who's made those changes. I can do it through actions, and I can even filter my audit logs using modules and date range. So that's all. That's about it using audit logs. Thank you.